I have some good news for you. It's all about genetics and when it comes to teeth or the overall health of your mouth. Many times people say, yeah, well, I have bad genes. My mom and my brother, everybody has gum disease. They all got cavities, so it's just inevitable for me to have the same kind of smile. Well, guess what? That is definitely not true. Not 100% not true. Yes, some genetics play a part of being a little more susceptible. However, you can avoid it altogether with the proper care. See, the thing is, when it comes to genetics, a lot of them are only expressed in a certain environment. So when you think about your teeth, your gums, your mouth, if you give it the right environment, then how can you get a cavity? How can you break a teeth? How can you have gum disease? See, there's physical, chemical, and emotional different stresses in life, good and bad. And so what do you want to do? All of those there, you want to make them in a good environment, right? So you want to eat right. Don't eat a lot of sweets, a lot of acid, a lot of sugar, a lot of processed foods. You want to brush your teeth daily, remove all of the bad bacteria that are formed on your teeth. You want to avoid any kind of physical trauma to your teeth, right? Use the right equipment if you're playing sports. See, physical, chemical, and emotional stress creates the environment in which our body, but also your mouth thrives in. So, yes, you may have some genetics, but you do it properly, create the right environment, you will have a healthy, beautiful, confident smile. And that's a fact.